Hey buddy, Sam back once again, and yes, it's finally my turn to unbox one of the new iPhones. I've been waiting for this one. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I've gone all bling bling for this edition. I have gone for the gold one. I did gold last year, and I liked it, and this one looks even more gold, so I figured, why not stay on the gold gravy train? Alright, so let's open her up. So as you can see here, it's pretty much just the phone on the front. Nice little kind of gold edges around there. iPhone on the side of the box, Apple logo at the top, and iPhone again, and Apple. On the back it just tells you regards to what it is, so it is the iPhone 12 Pro Max Gold, and I did go for 128 gig, and the reason for it is that last year I actually went for the 256, and yeah, and I didn't use it, so I've saved myself some money by getting this one this year. Anyway, let's open her up, shall we? Just kind of slide it out. It says slide it out, pull it out, happy days. Got a bit of plastic, stick that off to the side, and voila. It's like, oh, it's not a chunky boy, as you know. Actual iPhone's boxes are about half the size this year. I wonder why that is. Let's have a quick look, let's find out why. Da da da. Voila. Oh, I like that colour. Yeah, I'm liking that already. Huh? That's very nice. And then bling bling sides. We'll have a look at that in a second or two. Just come back to it. Because obviously we're going to have loads of accessories. So we've got the USB Type-C to Lightning cable. Honestly, don't really use this one. It's not the highest quality. If you need to use an Apple cable, buy their 2-meter one. Or stay tuned to my channel because I'm going to have quite a few accessories for this and other iPhones. But honestly, this cable, it's probably one of the worst cables that you can actually buy or get for free-ish. And we also get our ability iPhone eject tool. We're also getting whatever this is, the little fingertips. They don't even give you the fingertip things anymore. Jeez. And obviously our Apple sticker. Stick them, you know what, pluck them and file them, as a good old Floss would say. Stick that there as well. And okay, where's my... Yeah, so for anyone wondering that's actually doesn't know, there's no chargers, there's no headphones this year. It is a damn shame, but stay tuned to my channel because I've got a video that's going to be coming up. Get this bloody back in the box. That's going to be showing you some alternatives as to what Apple would like to charge. You know what, I just put off over there. Because they do ask for quite a lot of money for not the best kind of charging solutions. So stay tuned. I'm going to have a hell of a lot of those coming up, as well as a lot of cases in the next couple of weeks. Right, so let's bring that star back into the middle, shall we? Now I'm actually going to try and change the lighting a little bit so you can actually see a bit more of the gold. Just because my lights are a bit bright, it's a bit hard to see the full-on bling bling gold. So I'll be 2 secs. I'm just going to try and change them as far as now. Alright, so it's a little hard to see, but you can kind of just see the nice gold. Oh, look at that. How beautiful does that look, huh? I'm liking that. That is fan-dabby-tastic, right? Okay, so let's take you around the actual camera itself. The phone itself. I've bought it because of the cameras. Well, that's why I went for the Pro Max. We've got our 12 megapixel cameras. All 3 of them are 12. So we've got a ultra wide, a wide, and a telephoto. Realistically, it's a wide, a standard, and a telephoto. I hate this whole new terminology in regards to I have got a wide camera on my phone. It's always been a standard camera. We never called it wide before ultra wide. So I don't know. Anyway, I digress. Let's have a look around. Tell you what. Let's peel this off here, shall we? Let's see if I can get a bit of a sizzle for you. So I tried to bring the microphone a little closer for you. I don't think you're going to get much of one. Ready? Did you hear it? Did you? Let me know in a comment down below. Okay, so you can now hear me properly again. So yeah, if you heard a sizzle, let me know in a comment down below. As everybody just said, it does pick up fingerprints pretty easily, as you can see there. But anyway, on the bottom of the device, we are literally just rocking our speaker grills with the microphone and the lightning port. On the right side of the device, just fingerprints as well as a power button. See that there? Must say, I do like the feel of these new power buttons. They do feel really nice. On top of it, we've got absolutely zilch, nothing on there. And then down the left side of the device, obviously, it's got the antenna bands, the silencer switch, which I think all phones should come with. something I like about the OnePlus devices, and the volume up and down, as well as the little tray there to where you put your SIM card. So yes, none of these little blockouts here or here. Or it might be in America, because obviously for the millimeter wave, because we don't get that, we don't need it. Yeah, we've got good 4G, believe it or not. And obviously on the front of it, we've got the Face ID. But here, let's just turn it on really quickly. Let's have a quick look at the actual, see how it looks with those new bezels, shall we? He says, hoping his phone has power. Yes, it has a bit of power in there. So tell you what, let's just zoom in a bit, shall we? There we go. Hopefully the colour should look a little bit nicer for you now. I left the gain /ISO. Yeah, that didn't look good for a second there, did it? Oh well. And there we have it. Here's the bezels. I'm not going to go through the setup and play around with it. You all know what it's about, but I will be doing some videos with regards to it. So if you want to see those, you know what to do by now. What do I need to do, Sam? You need to hit me up with a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. Go on, it's just around here. Smash, smash, smash. And go on, subscribe. Why? It's free. Honestly, don't cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Anyway, people, once again, thank you for watching. You'll see me. Well, you might not see me, but you'll see these puppies and you'll hear this voice in my next one. Cheers, everyone.